first. Read the first question. Read the first question. Of a quadrilateral are in the ratio. Yes, you don't have to put anything in the chat box. You can ask. Okay, you can ask directly. Which chapter? It is geometry chapter. So it's first class, I think. Geometry chapter, G3 page. Okay. So fourth question, first part. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:2:3:4. Find all the angles. Okay. So angles of a quadrilateral are given in the ratio. Okay. So how many angles are there in quadrilateral? Interior angles.
4 interior angles.
4.
Four interior angles, and they are given in ratio. That is, one angle is that angle 1 is to angle 2 is to angle 3 is to angle 4. It is given how much? 1:2:3:4. It is given like this. Yes. They are given in ratio. Okay. Now.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we write x, 2x, 3x, 4x?
We'll be writing that one. I'm just giving the brief idea. That is, in ratio, they are like this. Okay. So now if we take angle 1, let angle 1, if angle 1 is x, then angle 2 will be how much? 2x. Angle 3 will be how much? 3x. Angle 4 will be how much? 4x. So let the angles, so we'll be writing first step like this. Let the angles of the quadrilateral be x, 2x, 3x, and 4x. This will be our first step. Okay. Let the angles of a quadrilateral be x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Ratio understood? Now if we take the ratio, again it will be coming 1:2:3:4. This is clear? So let the angles of a quadrilateral be x, 2x, 3x, 4x. And we know the property. Which property we'll be using? Sum of the interior angles. Sum of the angles of quadrilateral. It is
360 degrees.
360 degree. This we know. This is the property of quadrilateral. That sum of the interior angles is always 360 degree. Okay. Now put sum of on left hand side we have sum of the angles of a quadrilateral. Angles of the quadrilateral are x, 2x, 3x, 4x. So we'll be writing x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x. It is how much? 360 degree. Now we will solve for x. So how much x will be coming? 7, 3, 10x. 360 degree. X is how much? 36 degree. We got x to 36 degree. Now find all the 4 angles that you can do. Now find all the 4 angles.
Students are chatting in chat box.
Yes, please don't chat there. I'll see afterwards those who are chatting, I will call them. Okay, so see here. Now first angle is x. It will be 36. So angles will be, first angle will be angle 1 equal to 36 degree. Angle 2, 2x. That means 2 into
Sir, again
36
someone is chatting.
72 degree. Okay, find the third angle.
Sir, your video is not clear.
Okay, just switch off the video and try again.
Sir, tried.
Hidansh and Prajpal. Don't chat there.
Sir, I am not chatting. I am telling him to correct that. He is writing going 1. Then I said him going on.
Okay, it's fine. You can correct that afterwards. Okay. Individually you correct. Don't chat. Don't put here.
Sir, not clear.
Okay. Okay. Join again. Praveen, join again. Okay. We are solving this question only this time. Join again. Okay. Angle 2 is 72 degree. Now find the third angle. It will be 3 into 36.
Third angle 108. 108.
Yes, 108. Angle 3. And angle
Question
4.
number 4 you are doing.
Yes,
144.
144 degree. Okay. Okay, how
So
to
question
check?
number 4th only you are doing.
20. Yes, fourth only. Fourth first. Okay, how to check whether we have calculated the correct angles? Do the sum of the
6.
Yes, 100 plus 104. It must be 360 degree. If you again get the sum of all these four angles as 360, that means we have calculated the angles correctly. Is this clear? Anyone have doubt? Anyone have doubt? If you have
Sir,
doubt, do
your
ask
video
here.
is not.
We need okay. Check your connection or sit at such place at your home where the network is good. Okay.
sir.
From my
Yes.
side, video is fine. Okay, is this question clear? Or you can do this video will be uploaded
Yes,
as
sir.
after 11. Okay, you can go through that video. Okay. Okay. So is this question clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now start doing fourth second question. Read the fourth second question and
Sir, can you explain fifth question?
if you have solved fourth, you can solve fifth. Go on. Keep going on.
Sir, can you explain fifth question? Sir,
Just
fifth
wait for a
question.
minute. Just wait a minute. I'll be explaining that after some time. Okay. Fourth second question. Angles of quadrilateral in the ratio. That can you do it yourself? Okay. Everyone solve it now. Fourth second question. Everyone start doing the notebook.
Done.
If you have
Sir,
solved,
yes,
if solved, please stay quiet. Okay. If you have solved, please be quiet. Let others to solve as well. Okay, solve this one. So this time the angles will be, so let the angles of the quadrilateral be 2x, 5x,
2x,
7x,
5x,
10x.
7x, 10x.
So angles will be 2x, 5x, 7x, and 10x. Let the angles of a quadrilateral be this. Okay, these are the four angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Is this clear? Now, sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. Add them 2x plus 5x plus 7x plus 10x equal to 360.
24x.
It is
24x.
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 X equal to how much? It is 15 degree. Okay. One thing I can tell you that most of these questions, mostly after division, you'll get the absolute number. Okay. You won't get the decimal numbers. Most probably. Okay. In majority of the cases. Yes. Now calculate the angles. So first angle will be how much?
Sir, can we do this method?
30.
Yes, that's correct.
Sir, by finding the sum of ratios.
Yes, that's as well correct. So in fraction of 360 degree, we can as well calculate. That as well is correct. Now first angle will be how much? 30 degree.
30.
Second, 75
75 degrees.
degree. Third angle,
105 degrees. 105 degrees.
105 degree. And fourth angle,
150
degree.
150 degree. And sum of angles must be 360 degree. You can check that. Okay. Solve it within 1 minute, then we'll move to next question. So anyone have doubt? Everyone have understood? Anyone
Yes,
have doubt
sir.
to ask? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. After 1 minute, we'll move to fifth question. Okay. Okay. Fourth question is clear. You can as well do as the Harshit has done. Okay. That one is also correct. Total sum of the ratios is how much? So angle will be 2 of 24. In fraction we can do and into 360 degree. Similarly, 5 upon 24 second angle into 360 degree. Third angle 7 upon 24 into 360 degree. Fourth angle 10 upon 360 degree into upon 24 into 360. That will be 150 degree. That way as well we can do. Okay, now fifth question. So see here, always read the question properly. Fifth question, read the question properly. 3 angles of a quadrilateral are equal. That means how many angles are there? 4 angles
X
are
plus
there
X plus X.
and 3 angles are equal. Okay. So 3 angles of a quadrilateral are equal. So these 3 angles we can take as equal. Okay. So let each
X.
of 3 equal angles be x. Okay. So it is saying 3 angles of quadrilateral are equal. If the fourth angle is 105, so this fourth angle is 105 degree, and other 3 angles will be x, x, x. Okay, these are x degree, x degree, x degree. So we are taking them as x, and the remaining angle is 105. This is being provided in question. Okay, so let each of the 3 equal angles be x. Now sum of the interior angles of
360.
sum of angles of quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. Put all angles plus 1/4 angle is given 105 degree. 360 degree. Now solve this one. It will be
3x
how?
plus 105 is equal to 360.
3x
plus,
is equals to 360 minus 105.
okay, 360 minus 105 degree. 3x equal to how much?
255 degree.
It is 255. Okay. Now x equal to 255 degrees divided by 3.
85 degree.
It is 85 degree. X is 85 degree. So each of the remaining angle is how much? 85 degree.
85 degree.
85 each.
Now you can check as well. 85 degree plus 85 degree plus 85 degree plus 105 degree. It will be coming out to be 360 degrees. Okay. Understood? Anyone have doubt? So read the question properly. Okay. Sixth question. Sixth question. Anyone have doubt in fifth question? Okay. I give you 1 minute. Let all the other students complete this one. Okay, fifth question, complete it now. You all have understood fifth question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
anyone
sir.
is having doubt, do ask. Because we'll be doing more complex questions after this time, after this. Okay, so fifth question, 3 angles of quadrilateral are equal. That means 3 angles are equal. Fourth angle is provided. So we can assume the 3 angles be as each being as x. So sum of the angles in 3 angles is 360 degree. X plus x plus x plus 105 degree is 360 degree. This will be our equation. Now we have to solve the equation in one variable. X is unknown, we can calculate. One equation, one unknown. We can calculate with the value of x. And the value of x is the value of angles. Okay, now read the sixth question. Everyone read the sixth question. Okay. Two angles of a quadrilateral are 75. Yes.
Sir, in all these questions, we have to write only answers or questions also we have to write.
Don't write questions. No need of writing questions. Okay. You have to solve the solution. You must write. Okay. Don't write questions. Okay. Don't waste your time in writing questions. Okay. Two angles of a quadrilateral are 75 degree each. So two angles of quadrilateral are given. They are, that is 75 degree each. So can be of, okay, can be like this, or you can draw like this as well. Two angles, these can be 75 degrees, or these two angles can be 75 degrees. Okay, two angles of a quadrilateral are 75 degree each. Okay, if you want, you can, there's no need of drawing the figures as well. You can solve, or if you want, you can draw the figures as well. Okay, two angles of a quadrilateral are 75 degrees. Two angles are 75 degrees, and the other two angles are equal. So remaining two angles, they are equal. So these two angles are equal, or these two angles are equal. This is being provided in question. So let the value of each remaining angles be x. So if we are taking this as x, it will be x. Yes. So two angles of a quadrant is 75 degrees, and the other two angles are equal. So let the other two angles be x each. It is x. The remaining two angles are each having the value of x. Okay. Now do the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is how much? Write the step of interior angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. Now add them. 75 degree plus 75 degree plus x plus x. It is how much? 360 degree. Solve them. 75 degree plus 75 degree. How much it is?
2x plus 150 is equal to
150
150
plus
plus 2x is equal
this is
is equal to 210.
210 degree.
x is
200
equal
degree.
210.
X is how much?
Answer 70 degree.
105.
105.
105. So remaining angles, each of them is how much? 105.
105.
So at last, what you write? What you have to find? Find the magnitude of each of the equal angles. So the magnitude of each of the equal angles equal to 105 degree. You have to write. Okay. So what kind of figures are there? Can anyone tell?
Irregular.
Irregular they are. That's for sure. It is what? It is parallelogram. And this is
Sir, can we start doing
trapezium.
7th question? Sir, can
Yes,
we start doing?
Yes, you can start. If
Sir,
you
in that
complete
we have
this,
to draw. Sir, in that question we have to draw the diagrams.
rough diagram you can draw. Okay, if you draw, it will be good.
Done.
Okay, sixth question. I'll wait for a minute, then we'll move to seventh question. Anyone have doubt in sixth question? Haven't understood anything in sixth question? So thing is, in geometry, read the question properly, and then try to analyze what we have to do. Okay. Is this question clear? No doubt to ask now, because afterwards, after the second part of this chapter, we will be doing little bit more complex questions. We will be discussing different kinds of quadrilaterals as well. So their properties as well we have to remember. Okay, now do the seventh question. Seventh question is very easy. Start doing. find the value of x in each of the following. We have to find the value of x. Something like this figure is given. X minus 10. This angle is how much? X minus 10 degree. X plus 25 degree. X plus 25 degree. X minus 35 degree. X minus 20 degree. Okay. Property. Yes. So it is a quadrilateral. The property of quadrilateral. The sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees.
360.
So we'll be using this property. Okay. So
All angle
sum of
is
the interior angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. Then the angles of the quadrilateral will be writing. So first angle is how much? X minus 10 degree. Second angle, x plus 25 degree. Plus x minus 35 degree. Plus x minus 25 degree. And this is equal to how much? Their sum is equal to 360 degree. So this is our first angle, second angle, third angle, fourth angle. There's sum we are doing. Okay. So how much it is coming? X 1, 2, 3, 4, 4x, x plus x plus x plus x, minus 10 plus 25 degree, plus 15 degree, minus 35, minus 20. Minus 20, minus 20, how much?
40.
Minus 40 degree. Okay.
4x
360
is
degree.
equal to 400.
Now, so 4x minus 40 degree. So from LHS, you have to take it on right hand side. So here will be plus 4x equal to 360 degree plus 40 degree. Okay. Now
400.
4x is equals to 400.
degree. X
X is
equal to
equals to
400 divided by 4. It is how much?
100.
100 degrees. So value of x, we have to
100.
calculate.
100.
Value of x is how much? 100 degrees.
Sir, in
Okay.
7th, 2nd and 4th, the answer is not given in degree.
Okay. See here on x, they have put degree. They have already put degree. X degree. Only they are asking value of x. So in first case, they want degree over x. But they put the degree over that. So x value will be 70. Okay. That's why they want put degree. Have you understood now? Okay. First question is clear.
Yes.
And see here, both should be same. That then only they can be subtracted. X must be in degrees. So x is in degrees, 35 degrees. Then only we can subtract. They must be of same quantity. So x value is 100 degrees here in first. If I put x degree over here, the value of x will be then 100. Okay. Have you understood this distinction? Anyone have doubt here? Second one you solve. Second one, which property? One more property will be using, I think. Yes, in second.
Sir, we would minus 180 minus 120.
Yes. So this is how. Okay. So 120 degree. Here, x degree. X plus 20 degree. X plus 20 in bracket. Whole raised to whole is the degree. 2x degree and x degree. Okay, this is the question. Now see here, we have to calculate the value of x, but we must know how much is this angle. This angle we have to calculate. Okay, how we can calculate? You
Angle
all know,
on
180 minus 120.
okay,
180
straight
degree.
line. If I draw one line, this angle is how much?
180
Any
degree.
point on this is
180 degree.
Now If this is 120, remaining will be 180
60.
minus
60.
120 degree. It will be how much? 60 degree. Have you understood this one? So angle subtended on a
Degree.
straight line is 180 degree at any point.
Yes, sir.
Now we have got this angle as 60 degree. Now we can calculate the x. Sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. And put the values there. So degree plus 2x degree plus x plus 20 degree plus 60 degree. How much? 360 degree. This you can open the bracket. X degree plus 2x degree plus x degree plus 20 degree plus 60 degree. Now solve
4x
everyone.
plus 80. 4x plus 80 is
4x
into
plus
4x degree plus
80.
80 degree equal to 360 degrees. And
4x
4x degrees,
to
4x
x
is
will
equal
be
to 280.
minus 80 degree. 280 degree.
280.
X 280
70.
degree divided by 4. So x degree how much?
70.
80 degree. And x will be how much? 70.
70.
X degree is 70 degree. X will be how much? 70. This is clear? Okay, solve the next one. Okay, solve the next one. So next one you can solve it yourself.
So last one also.
Last one as well you can solve. Okay, I give you 2 minutes for the third one. Solve everyone. If you don't get the answer, please tell me. Okay. Solve the third one now. 2 minutes you have.
So solve.
Okay, what you will be doing? Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. Then x
360
plus
minus
108 degree plus
236.
minus 236. Yes. Everyone solve it. Okay. After this, then for quadrilateral one by one. Okay, do third and fourth now. Third and fourth. Third one. Anyone who haven't got the third one? Anyone who haven't got the third one?
No, sir.
Okay, so everyone is able to solve third one. Okay. That means if someone asks me doubt about third one now. Yes.
Where we got?
Everyone have got the answer for third.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do fourth one now.
We're done.
Do it. I'm giving 1 or 2 minutes. Let others to do as well.
So done.
Let others to. Okay. So after 2 minutes, we'll discuss little bit about different kinds of quadrilateral. I'll give you brief idea. Okay. Tomorrow we'll be taking one by one each of the quadrilateral. We'll be discussing their properties. Okay, fourth one, anyone have doubt in fourth? So x will be, so sum of the three interior angles, 94 it is. Sum of the three interior angles is how much?
266.
266 degrees. And x will be how much? X
94.
degree will be coming out to be 94 degree. x degree, and x will be 94. Okay. Okay. So different types of quadrilateral. So till now, one property we have discussed, that is sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral. Whatever kind of quadrilateral it is, the sum of interior angles is always 360 degree. Okay. This one property we have discussed. Now, if in quadrilateral I make, okay, that means one line I have drawn, the other line I have drawn. Okay. Opposite sides as parallel. Okay. If I write it like this, A, B, C, D. Okay. Now I make AB parallel to CD. This means these two lines are parallel as well. Remaining two lines are parallel. So opposite sides are parallel. Opposite means AB and DC are parallel. BC and AD are parallel. Okay. So something like figure this you will be getting. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, you'll be getting figure like this if I remove the extra lines. Is this clear? So if I make the opposite sides parallel, if I make the parallel, a kind of figure will be getting. Okay, this figure is called as opposite sides are parallel, parallelogram. This is what? Parallelogram. This quadrilateral will be called as parallelogram. Okay, if opposite sides are parallel. Now, if opposite sides are parallel, opposite means AB will be equal to DC. So first thing, AB parallel to DC and BC parallel to AD. This is clear? And AB will be equal to DC and BC equal to AD. This have you understood? A, B, C, D. These are parallel, these two are parallel. Okay. Have you understood this one? In a quadrilateral, if opposite sides are parallel, then such quadrilateral is called as parallelogram. Okay. Or we can say if opposite sides are equal. If opposite sides are equal, then such quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. Okay. Either the opposite sides are parallel or the opposite sides are equal. The resultant figure will be parallelogram. Now see here, if opposite sides are parallel, then opposite sides will be equal as well. Opposite sides will be equal as well. If opposite sides are equal, these sides are equal, these sides are equal. That means these sides, the opposite sides will be parallel as well. This is clear? So in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel as well equal. This is clear? In a quadrilateral, when opposite sides are equal, when both the pairs of opposite sides are equal, then such quadrilateral is parallelogram. Okay.
Okay,
now,
sir.
So first property of parallelogram will be opposite sides are parallel. AB parallel to DC, BC parallel to AD. As well, opposite sides are equal. AB equal to DC, BC equal to AD. Okay. Is this fine? So quadrilateral, first we are discussing parallelogram. Okay. Now see here. Opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel. As well, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. You can see it like this. If I hold A and C, I stretch that. That means angle A and C, it will be decreasing and these two angles will be increasing, but they always remain equal. So in parallelogram, the properties of parallelogram are what? First, the opposite angles are
Opposite side equal.
opposite sides are equal, and opposite sides are parallel. So opposite sides are parallel as well as equal, and opposite angles are
Equal.
equal. Okay. Now, if I draw a diagonal,
Sir, time over.
okay, just a minute, I'll take. If I draw a diagonal, then we'll be getting the diagonal will be dividing parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Okay, this angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay, so they will overlap over each. If I cut this one, remove and hold it, and it will overlap the remaining angle. It is dividing them into congruent triangles. We'll discuss congruent triangles tomorrow. Okay, more properties we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, one by one.
Sir, when you will upload recording?